Catch all your favorite games on YouTube TV. Are you ready to enjoy all your favorite live sports? Here's a quick and friendly guide to understanding the YouTube TV sports package and how to kickstart your experience. Check your base plan. First, let's start with the basics. YouTube TV's base plan already includes popular sports channels like ESPN, FS1, NBC Sports, and NFL Network. You won't miss out on major sports events. Consider the Sports Plus add-on. Want more? For just $10.99 a month, you can add the Sports Plus package. This magical add-on brings you extra channels like NFL Red Zone, Tennis Channel, and Willow TV. Explore other sports add-ons. But wait, there's more. You can also subscribe separately to NFL Sunday Ticket, NBA League Pass, or MLB.TV for all the out-of-market games you love. Watch on compatible devices. Stream your favorite sports on various devices. Whether you're using smart TVs, Roku, Fire TV, Xbox, mobile devices, or your computer, YouTube TV has you covered. Enjoy unlimited DVR. And don't forget about unlimited cloud DVR. Record all your games so you never miss a spectacular moment. Tips. Before you dive in, check availability in your region. YouTube TV is US only. Customize your viewing experience with multiple profiles and stay alert for special sports packages during peak seasons. That's it. Get ready to stream all the live sports action you love with YouTube TV's sports package. Start enjoying your favorite games today.